welcome back to my channel. This week I have something really exciting to show you guys. I'm so excited. You guys know that I love fitness. If you've been following me for a long time, you know a couple of years ago I had a journey where I did my very first bikini competition, and also you guys know that I've just always been a lover of fitness. Well, I have found literally one of the most inspirational women that I have ever come across, and I've done a lot of different workouts, let me tell you. This week we are going to talk about Hannah Eden. She is absolutely amazing. I'm telling you, she is fierce. I have tried so many different workouts, and like I said before, I've done everything from Jillian Michaels to other fitness formats, and you guys, she's in Florida, and I work out to her from my TV, and it literally feels like I'm in the room with her. She's just amazing. Eden and her husband, Paulo Barreto, co-own Pump Fit Club, a group fitness training facility in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. So if you're in Fort Lauderdale, you are lucky. I'm in LA, and I still have to make sure I work out to her from online. I'm telling you, it's amazing. It literally feels like I said, like she's in the room with me telling me to get my ass up. I'm gonna leave links below of workout videos on YouTube that you guys can actually follow along. I'm gonna leave all her social media links in the description box. But you guys, I love Hannah Eden. I call her Hannah Eden Fitness because that's her Instagram name, but I just love Hannah Eden. So today I just wanted to tell you guys a little bit about her workouts, and I also have a special treat for you. I'm going to show you guys a couple of apparels that I have from her line, Find Your Reason, and I cannot wait. First, I'm going to show you guys this tank top. This is my favorite tank top. I wear it every time I'm like lifting, etc. It's my favorite. It says "Be effing fierce" with a cute pineapple in the middle, and on the back of the tank top it has her really awesome logo, which I really truly love. The material is amazing. It's super soft. I've worn this, like I said, so many times and washed it, and I like to hang dry a lot of like my items, so I hang dry this one. I did take the tag out because tags just bother me when I'm working out, but other than that, this is an amazing tank top. It's my favorite. I will leave you the link below on how you can shop for her apparel. Also, you guys, this is the bodysuit that just came out not too long ago, and as soon as she posted it on Instagram, I was on it. I was like ready to order. I absolutely love it. It says Focus. It's just so cute. And then on the back it has, again, her logo. That's one thing I love about Hannah Eden's apparel. Like, all of her things have the cute logo just somewhere. I absolutely love this bodysuit. It doesn't have snaps. It's just a straight up bodysuit, which I absolutely love. Material is super comfortable, super stretchy. I got mine in a size medium. I just like to have a little bit of extra room. I probably could have went with a size small, but I'm very happy that I got the size medium. It has a cute cut in the back, and it's very modest and cute in the front. The other thing that I absolutely love about Hannah Eden's apparel, like when you're ordering her things online, is that she has the cutest packaging. Fun fact, I just recently started my own online boutique called The Shoptique. If you haven't shopped, make sure you shop. The link will be below. I was actually inspired by Hannah Eden, and I have similar packaging just because she inspired me so much with how cute her things were. I wanted to make sure that for my customers, all of my items are packaged cute as well. So that's another really fun bonus. Came with a cute little thank you card and a coupon, which I was really happy about. But overall, you guys, I just really love Hannah Eden, and this video, I've been wanting to do this video for a while, so I decided once my bodysuit comes in, I would not only share this video with you guys talking about Hannah Eden and how she's so inspirational and just amazing, but I also wanted to showcase the things that I have actually purchased as far as apparel goes, because you know, sometimes when you're ordering like workout stuff, you're not sure if it's gonna work out, or it's just, you know, whatever the case may be. So with all that being said, I have another surprise for you guys. I'm just going to show you guys how I would wear the bodysuit. So if you're interested to see how I wore this bodysuit, keep on watching.